Today we're going to be doing subtraction and division of fractions. So let's get started. Let's write this particular equation. So we have 2 over 9 take 2 over 6. So similar to when we've done addition, what we're wanting to do here, start off with, is we want to multiply these two numbers together. And that is going to give us 54. Okay, then up here we want to do a cross multiplication from here to here. So 5 times 6 is 30. We want to put a minus sign, and again we want to cross multiply from here, which is 2 times 9, and that answer is 18. So let's move down the screen a bit. Okay. So here we just need to do a quick calculation of 30 take 18, which is 12 over 54. Now we can actually simplify this all the way down to we can work out how many 3s go into each. So we can change that to, there are 4 3s in 12 and there are 18 3s in 54. We can further simplify this by halving. Okay, so this answer is correct, but this is the simplified version. Okay, so let's have another go. Let me move this up slightly. Move that one over there, and we'll move this one over here. Okay, so let's do something pretty easy. So let's say we had 1/2 take 1/4. Some of you have probably already guessed what the answer is, but let's work it out. So we have 2 times 4 is 8. We have cross multiplication this way of 1 times 4, so that's 4. And then we have another cross multiplication of 1 times 2, which is 2. Therefore, the answer is 4 take 2 is 2 over 8, and we can further simplify this as 1 over 4. Okay, so now we're going to be applying fractions, we're going to be doing dividing of fractions. So one thing we need to know first off is a concept called reciprocal fractions. So let me write that down. And what all that means is, for example, we could have a fraction that says 3 over 4. And reciprocal means that we're just swapping these two around. So basically it now becomes 4 over 3. By knowing a reciprocal fraction makes working out the division answer of a fraction a lot easier. Okay, so let's start. Let's say we had 4 over 5 divided by 1 over 3. We want to apply the concept of reciprocal fraction to the second fraction. So let me rewrite it as 1 over 5 divided by 3 over 1. Okay, so we've just swapped this one over. If we do that, we can actually work out division a lot easier. What I should have said though, is take that divide out. We change that to multiplication. In other words, when we're changing this to a reciprocal, let me put an R there, we then change it to a multiplication. Alright, let me just move this up a bit. So, here we have 4 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 1. And we're just doing, in our last class, we've learned how to do multiplication. So here we go. It's just 4 times 3, which is 12, and 5 times 1, which is 5. So therefore, this fraction here, the answer is 12 over 5. So by using the reciprocal here and changing this fraction, all we have to do is apply our multiplication skills. Very, very easy once we do that. Okay, so let's have another go at another fraction. So this time let's do 3 over 5 divided by 1 over 2. Once again, like before, we're going to give the reciprocal of this number. So that'll be 2 over 1. Once we do this, we want to change the division to a multiplication, and you must leave this the same though. You only ever change the reciprocal to this, which is the second fraction. Very important. You don't apply it to both, and you don't apply it to the first one. So here we have, 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. So therefore, the answer to this problem here, this one, the answer is 6 over 5. Okay, so let's have a practice. Let's do our subtraction first. So let's do 3 over 8, take 2 over 5. Work that one out for me. And the next one we'll do division. So let's do 7 over 9 divided by 2 over 7. Alright, have a crack at those and we'll talk about it in class.